So which of these two ways of doing things should you use, the tried and tested one or the new one? Well, the answer is probably that you should be learning this one and then using that one. The reason is that this way of doing things is common across a variety of programming languages. So C, Perl, R, Python, you name it. While this is a very Pythonic way, and essentially it's very convenient because it prevents some errors, so there is no way you can leave a file dangling open with this system. The downside may be that sometimes it's not very convenient to have a big block of code inside a with statement. So to an extent it's a matter of preference. It's important to be familiar with both of them because you will encounter both of them while you're dealing with Python programs.